Have you ever felt like your mind is too heavy, too full, as if no matter what wisdom or peace you try to bring in, it just slips away? Let me tell you a story. The story of the cup of stones. Once, a wise teacher invited his students to sit in the courtyard. He held up a simple clay cup. Everyone leaned forward, curious about today's lesson. The teacher smiled and said, "Imagine this cup is your mind." Slowly, he began to drop stones inside. "These stones," he explained, "are your worries, fear of failure, anger from yesterday, doubt about tomorrow. Every little stone is something you hold on to." Soon, the cup was full. The teacher tried to pour water inside, but nothing could enter. The stones left no room. "Now," he said, "imagine this water is wisdom, peace, and new ideas. If your mind is already crowded with heavy stones, where will the water go? It cannot stay. It will simply spill out." The students nodded, but one of them asked, "Master, what should we do?" The teacher gently tipped the cup. The stones rolled out, falling to the ground. Then he poured the water again. This time, the cup received it fully. Calm, still, complete. He looked at his students and said, "This is the secret of the mind. Before you can fill yourself with peace, joy, or success, you must first let go of what weighs you down. You cannot hold yesterday's stones and expect tomorrow's blessings to flow in." Silence filled the courtyard. Each student realized how many stones they carried. Old mistakes, regrets, fears, anger. And yet, they never thought to empty the cup. The teacher's voice grew softer. Emptying your mind does not mean forgetting everything. It means releasing what no longer serves you. When you sit quietly, breathe deeply, and imagine dropping one stone at a time. Anger, regret, worry. You create space. Space for clarity. Space for creativity. Space for strength. He smiled. The lighter your cup, the more freely life can pour into it. Remember this. A full cup cannot receive, but an empty cup is limitless. So ask yourself today, what stones are you still holding? And are you ready to let them go? If this story touched your heart, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more inspiring lessons that light your path.